Welcome to Kiefel and the new Material R&D Center. Here we focused on natural fiber material and investigation and research on this topic. Also, product development and product properties are in our focus. We also work on barriers, coating and different product quality topics. And how we work and what we do, I will show you. So please come with me and follow me in. So now we're here in our brand new laboratory where we do all the material investigation. And some of the material I brought with me, which you can see here, like recycled cardboard and liner material, different virgin materials, and also alternative materials like straw. And how we do all the investigation, I will show you in the next step. When we start our analysis on material for getting parameters regarding slashing and pulping, we use this kind of mixing system to get parameters for the material. And we also use, if we want to know the drainage, a Schopper-Riegler measurement to get information about this. And if we want to look deeper into the material, the fibers, the length and the composition, we have a fiber tester here in our house where we do special analysis on the fibers. All the informations, values, data and parameters we get from our measurement systems and test equipment, we directly put into our database where we have all our raw materials with informations. One main focus on our research here is exploring product behaviors. And one important topic is barrier functions. And therefore we work with several additives. We use here adding to the pulp, mixing it and producing samples out of it. After we produce the samples, we do testing the barrier functions here with oil, water or whatever is necessary for testing the barrier. To verify the barrier properties, we need to find out comparable parameters. Therefore, we use the Cobb-Unger test with different kind of materials to test the barrier functions. The samples we need in the laboratory and where we do all our investigation and tests, we produce on our own test equipment here at Kiefel. We are able to produce different samples of products with various materials, and also we are able to use customer material and recipes to do tests and product optimization and parameter studies on the machine so that we know at the end how his process will work. The benefit of Kiefel is that we are directly connected with our technology center, where the customer sees his own product running on the machine. We're able here to investigate his products, we can test his material and the product behavior, and so support our customer perfectly in his product development and production process.